Today's video is going to be on these popular fluffy edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. And then I also did a high red ponytail and a top bun. My styles with freshly washed and dried hair, especially with my type 4 hair, just makes it easier to manage and get styles done quicker. The main things I used was a hard brush, some got2b spray, and a rat tail comb and some edge gel. I'm starting out by parting out some hair on the sides and the back of my hair. Just a little section, little hair in each section. And also a little hair in the front to create those baby hairs. And then brushing the rest of my hair into a top bun and slicking down the hair with the got2b spray. Next step to create the curly baby hairs, I really use a very small curling iron. I think it's like a 1/2 inch. Make sure you use some heat protectant. You don't want to burn off your edges. That just makes it easier to form and curl the baby hairs how you want them to form. Yo, it was the first time for me trying these fluffy edges, but it was a hot mess in the beginning, but I did get it together. I found that it was really easy to try to spray some of the got2b on the edge brush, and that'll help you with keeping the hairs together and forming it how you want it to look. Oh, y'all, I'm glad I'm finally got it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I think it's really coming along cute. But let me know what you think and leave a like and subscribe. Not really a right or wrong way to do these edges, but I just try to just play around with it till I get the hairs where I want it to look. It definitely does take some time and patience, but it is really cute when you get these edges together. Now let's jump into this first look. I'm gonna leave a link to the hair in the description box. I don't remember where I got it from, but I'll make sure to put the link in the description for y'all. I really like this hair with the red color for the ponytail, and it does have this little piece on the side where you can wrap around the ponytail to hold it in place. So it's a very quick install. It has a couple combs, and you use that to tuck that ponytail into your hair and then just wrap the little piece around. And just continue wrapping that piece around the base of the ponytail. And then I usually just spray some got2b spray on the end to hold it in place, but you can also use some bobby pins if you need to. Is it for this first look, this high red ponytail with the fluffy baby hairs. Let me know what you think in the comments. for this next look, I'm going to be using some braiding hair and creating a braided top bun. The braiding hair I used already had a rubber band around it, so I just used that to tie the hair to my actual hair, and then just start creating a big jumbo braid with the braiding hair. Once it's braided all the way down, just flip it over your real hair and then just wrap it around and tuck the end with the bobby pin. And that is it for this second look. I think this is my favorite out of the two. It's really sleek and simple to do, but it still stands out, stylish with the baby hairs. Let me know which one you like the best in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.